Think cleaning your fence is foolproof? One wrong move can cause permanent damage or shorten its life. Before you start scrubbing, don't do this. 1. Pressure washing too hard. Blasting your fence with high-pressure water might feel satisfying, but it can strip paint, splinter wood, or crack vinyl. Use a fan tip, stay 12 inches away, and test a small area first. 2. Harsh chemicals. Bleach or ammonia might seem strong enough to clean fast, but they can discolor surfaces, weaken finishes, or damage soil. Always check if your cleaner is safe for your fence material. 3. Skipping the rinse. Leaving soap or cleaner residue behind can cause staining, corrosion, or mold regrowth. Always rinse thoroughly from top to bottom. 4. Cleaning in heat. Cleaning in direct sunlight? Bad idea. Cleaners dry too fast, leaving streaks and even warping wood. Aim for early morning or late afternoon. 5. Ignoring landscaping. Don't let chemical runoff damage your plants. Cover or rinse them before and after cleaning. Not sure if your fence needs a deep clean or a full replacement? Don't guess. Visit caanfenceinc.com or call 781-767-3596. Let the experts help you decide.